Hi everyone, Peter from Childwall Emporium here. So in this video I'm going to be making these dragonflies. So you're going to need your peg, your googly eyes and the pipe cleaners, and then you'll need some felt tip pens as well. So we can start off by making the wings. And get a pipe cleaner, bend two ends together and then fold them, twist them around so they're together like that. You do that for all of them. There we go. Then you're going to get your peg. And the first ones, you're going to open your peg up and you're going to wedge them as far in as you can. So as far back to the spring there. And then same for the other side. Wedge it in. That's the first wings. And then these ones, you wedge them into the holes of the spring, like that. Same on this side. And then you can just adjust them so it looks good. Now you're going to need the googly eyes. This bit is a bit tricky for big fingers. There we go. Peel it off and then stick them to your peg. Same for the other eye. Like I say, tricky for big fingers. There we go. There's the googly eyes up. And now you can colour in this bit to make it more colourful. So I'm going to use green. Why not? I'm going to make it have big dots. There you go, your dragonfly is all done.